guys, welcome back to my channel. This is obviously a very different video, so I always get lots of questions about my hair and how I keep it super healthy and long and strong, and even though I'm actually going to be cutting it in the next video, I just wanted to show you guys how I keep it healthy while it is still super duper long. And I'll see if I can get up close here and show you. Maybe I'll brush it out actually, because this is literally like this is how I sleep in it, so it's kind of crazy right now. But this video is going to be a bit about kind of how to keep your hair healthy when it is super long, and just how to keep it super strong and keep the integrity in your hair. And so one of my tips is definitely to sleep with your hair in really preventative hairstyles. So a braid is pretty safe, a loose braid, using a nice like soft hair tie, not a plastic one or anything that would cause your hair to break. That's one of the big things. Sometimes I'll sleep with my hair in a ponytail, kind of up high, so I'm not like rolling on it throughout the night. But yeah, rather than just sleeping with your hair like out, which I don't know if anyone can even do that. I have tried doing that a couple of times and it's just really like gross feeling, like when you're moving around in the middle of the night and there's just like hair all over you. So I highly recommend a braid. Yeah, basically like not using heat tools or using them very minimally, always using a heat protector if you do use them. Those are kind of some of the basics. Another thing, if you're trying to grow long hair and you're struggling with that, check out your nutrition, because if you're missing out on a lot of different nutrients, like a wide variety of nutrients, that's gonna show up in your hair, your skin, your nails, everything else. And so as a note, I don't know if you can even see that with how bad the lighting is in here. My nails, I've never been able to grow nails. Like they literally just kind of like stay super short and stubby. And so I've recently trimmed them because they were getting really long, but my nails have been growing like crazy for the last few years, and I'm like confident it's because of my diet, because I'm not eating crap anymore. So I'm gonna get into what I want to show you guys today, which is one of the other ways that I really just help my hair stay super duper healthy, is that once in a while, or if I'm in a dry climate or feeling like my hair's super dry, I'll do an oil treatment. And sometimes I'll do this like once a week, sometimes I'll do it once a month. It doesn't really, I don't really have like a set schedule. I just kind of do it when I feel like I need it. So I'm gonna take my little rings off here. And the other part that I want to let you guys know is that it really, at least I don't think it really matters what kind of oil you use for this. And what I mean by that is I don't think it matters if it's like special argan oil or super fancy expensive stuff from a salon. What I'm going to be using is just from my company. It's just a basically like a massage oil, but I find it works really well. You could use coconut oil. You probably wouldn't want to use like olive oil just because of the smell. But yeah, you could just use whatever kind of like nice oil that you would like to. So yeah, like I said, this is the one I'm going to use, and I really like it because it smells really good. And I know that it doesn't have any harsh chemicals or anything like that in it, which is why I like it so much. And another tip that's totally different is using a bamboo brush. I don't know if you guys can actually see this, but these aren't plastic bristles, they're actually wooden. And the reason, you can even feel it on there. The reason I like this so much more than the regular plastic brushes that you get at stores is because this will actually hold onto your natural oils in here, which will help distribute those oils throughout the rest of your hair. Again, kind of like what I'm doing with this. When you're distributing the oils from your scalp like all the way down throughout your hair, that's putting your own natural nutrients and like everything that your body knows your hair needs and moving it down throughout the rest of your hair. So, I mean, hopefully you guys can tell right there, like my hair, as long as it is, and this part here. Let me keep going so I can show you guys the full, what this color fully looks like. But seeing how I've definitely colored my hair, I also really need to shower, so that's another reason why I'm doing this right now. But like, even though this is definitely lightened, like, it's healthy. I'm just gonna brush it so that it's not all ratty when I show you guys. So as far as me cutting it, I'm not cutting it because, I hope that will focus. I'm not cutting it because it's unhealthy. I'm cutting it because I'm really tired of long hair. I've had my hair about this long, so I don't know if you can actually see it. It's like just above my hip bones right now, and that's because I cut it every time that I start sitting on it. I like cut a couple of inches off every time, and I usually have to do that every couple of months or so. Like, my hair just grows so much faster than it used to, like I said, because of my diet. But yeah, I've had really, really long hair for like 3 years, and I'm just kind of ready for a change. So I'm actually gonna put my hair up for this, so that honestly what I'm gonna do is put my oil in my hair, go to the gym, chill in the sauna for a bit, then it's like a hot oil mask kind of thing, and then shampoo and condition it out like I normally would. Okay, so now that I've got my hair up and out of my face in a safe location, there's really no like special secret to this or anything. I am actually gonna go ahead and take this shirt off so that it doesn't get oil all over my nice mint green shirt. But yeah, you literally just kind of like rub it into your hair, massage it in, leave it as long as you want. There's been times when I'll actually braid my hair when I do this and sleep in it. So that's totally safe. Like, you can sleep in it, you can put it up in a bun, leave it for a day, for a couple of days, like, it really is just totally up to you. So last time that I bleached my hair, I actually did this, I think twice a week for about a month before I did it. And after I was done bleaching, like, I didn't even end up having to like cut my ends off or anything, because my hair was actually still very, very safe and strong. And so I'm not saying that's going to work for everybody. I really do take a lot of care in my hair, and I never use heat tools at all. It's probably been like a year or two since I've used any heat tools, and so yeah, totally up to you. Guys, I'm not gonna put a ton on it first because I want to see how far it's gonna go. Oh, it smells so good. It's like citrusy and kind of like grapefruit. It does smell so good. And basically with this oil, it doesn't have any artificial colors or flavors or smells or fragrances or whatever, anything like that. Wow, that went really freaking far. I don't know if you guys can tell, but so that little tiny bit that I put on there, I mean, yeah, you can see. So where it's like extra shiny, so like up here, that's how shiny my hair, there, that's how shiny my hair normally is. And this is with the oil, like, went pretty far. But yeah, so I just like knowing that like the citrusy smell, the grapefruity smell, like that's actually coming from the extracts of the plants. It's not from an artificial fragrance or chemicals or anything like that. And so yeah, just kind of being conscious of that. You don't really want to put anything in your skin or on your skin or in your body that could be detrimental to your health. So if you don't know what ingredients are detrimental to your health or what chemicals can be, I highly recommend just doing some Googling and looking into things like that. Just one really quick fun fact is that in Europe, there's about 1,300 different chemicals that are banned from being used in all cosmetics. So that doesn't just mean, it does include like makeup, skincare, stuff like that, but it also includes like shampoo, toothpaste, conditioner, deodorant, so things guys and girls use. There's about 13 chemicals, and those are banned, or 1,300 chemicals, and those are banned because they're proven to either be carcinogenic, which means they cause cancer, so proven to cause cancer, or proven to cause inflammation in the human body, which leads to other illnesses, diseases, things like that, and things that are called lifestyle diseases that can be completely prevented through lifestyle, like I said. And so in the US, there's about, I think the last time I looked, there was 11 of those exact same things, chemicals, that are banned. So even though Europe has proven scientifically that there's at least 1,300 that are detrimental to human health, the US still says, nope, it's okay, we'll only ban 11, like, the others are fine, it's okay if they cause cancer. So that's why I'm just telling you guys, it's important to actually do your own research and not just trust whatever, especially not trusting whatever the front of a bottle says, because they can basically lie. They can say like, yeah, this is 100% natural, it's made with avocado oil, and then you turn it over and look at the back, and the first 12 ingredients are all mysterious things that you can't pronounce, which I would also recommend looking those up, because sometimes companies will put like the scientific name of a plant, and it's like, well, why didn't they just say it was sunflower? Why did they say it was whatever the scientific name for a sunflower is? But yeah, I would recommend looking those up. But when you look at it, and it has, you know, all these different ingredients that you can't pronounce, and then the very last ingredient is avocado oil, that means there's a very, 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 very tiny amount of avocado oil in there, and it's mostly just whatever chemicals that are before it. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is really not difficult at all. I'm just making sure that it's very, very saturated because, for one, I'm hoping that I can donate my hair. So I want to make sure that it is really, really, really healthy. Like I said, it's been over a year now since I've bleached my hair, so I'm like, please take it. You know, I don't want to just get rid of my hair and have it not be able to be used for something. But yeah, so I want to make sure it's really, really healthy. And I'm gonna go up a little bit more. I usually only do like this bottom part. I will say I never ever, well, it's not true. As I say, I never do my scalp. Sometimes I'll do my scalp and I'll do it more as like a scalp massage kind of thing. So that's something else that can help your hair grow, is doing a scalp massage. When I do that, I wash it out right away because I don't want that excess oil sitting on my scalp. So when I'm gonna leave it in like this for a long time, I don't put it anywhere near my scalp. Like, I keep it probably like a hand's width away. Like, I keep it pretty far away from my scalp. But because I'm cutting my hair, I'm gonna go up a little bit more today. Because I'm also going to be dyeing it. I'm so excited. But yeah, that's basically it, you guys. You literally just kind of like rub it in. Sometimes I do it like this, just to make sure I'm getting like all the little pieces. Today I'm just trying to be more gentle because I'm like, I love you. Please let someone take you and use you. But yeah, there you go. That's what it looks like. And see, I don't really have, I mean, even though I have oil on it now, it's not like I have like bad split ends or anything. I feel like this is more focused when I'm back here. But yeah, there you go. So I'm just finishing up, and I ended up separating these out into two little sections so that it was easier for me to get the thicker part up here and make sure that it was fully covered. And I figured I would just show you guys what I do to make sure that this doesn't like leak absolutely everywhere. So yeah, for one, I don't saturate it so much that it would like drip all over the place. I just put enough in there so that everything is coated. And so what I do is I just kind of twist it up into, I don't know if this is a thing or not, I just kind of call it like a ballerina bun, where I literally just like twist it and twist it, wrap it around itself. Hopefully you can see this. And I just keep twisting and wrapping until I can tuck the last little tiny pieces underneath there. And if I had another hair tie prepared, I would just wrap that around a couple pieces as well. But yeah, like this, I don't have to worry about it falling out at the gym or anything like that at all. Because also, you can totally hide that it's oily as crap like this. Like, nobody's gonna notice, nobody's gonna be able to tell. It just looks really, really shiny. But yeah, it doesn't look oily at all. And so in the sauna, what I would actually do is just kind of like, basically when I wrap a hair tie around this, that'll hold it in place when I'm like actually jumping around in the gym. But when I take that hair tie off, I can literally just kind of like grab this, twist it the opposite way of what I just twisted it on, and it'll like fall out. So that way in the sauna, it's like all getting heated and it's all getting heated evenly, rather than leaving it up like this and it's kind of just like getting heated really unevenly. So like these pieces on the outside would get warm, but the pieces in the middle wouldn't really get very hot. So that's basically what I would do. Let me know if you guys have any questions or if you want to know more about my hair journey or nutrition or ingredients and chemicals that are in personal care products, because I know a lot about that too. So yeah, let me know how this video helped you. And if you have any questions, please leave them below and hit the subscribe button if this was helpful. Also give me a thumbs up because that really, really supports my channel. And I will chat with you guys next time.